I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside the ghost and hop up in the phantom. I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to have you today. So what we're doing, you probably seen again by the title of the video that we're making today is that since I'm a food lover, I love food so much, and as I've always said that as much as I love working out, as much as I love taking care of my body, I also love rewarding it, and rewarding it does not always mean eating right, eating clean, and I like to have a bit of fast foods here and there. I know they're not healthy, but today the video that we're making is the chicken licking wings versus KFC wings. So in the KFC wings, from the KFC wings we have the dunked wings. You can see they are over here, and then the chicken licking wings are here. I think I'll quickly show them to you. Wow, this looks, my guys, I think chicken licking I think it's a good restaurant. I really do think so. Just I don't know if you can see properly, but have a look. There they are, chicken licking. My guys, I was about to say, I think chicken licking, I think they are a good restaurant. I think their prices are decent, because I think I paid like 38 rands for 6 wings for like all of this, and I don't think it's a bad price though for this. And KFC Leona, I think it's the best restaurant that I've eaten at, and I've had my meals at a lot of restaurants. So this is the dunked wings KFC. I didn't like that usual sauce though, I don't know. But I was about to say, well, I think chicken licking in Leona, they are quite decent. I think their prices are reasonable. The food that they cook, I think, quite reasonable as well. But I don't know, because but it's like different things. So I guess people are different. But I think really that chicken licking is a good restaurant. KFC, the best restaurant, because I know that young people barata McDonald's, and I don't think it's that good. I think it's very much overrated. I'd like to know actually what you guys like or love about McDonald's, because it does not do it for me. Everything that I've bought in McDonald's a couple of times has been very horrible, so I don't like it. Anyway, let's delve right into it. Let's taste the wings. This is the chicken licking one that we're having. Just look at it. Very nice, looking very nice. This time, I'm sorry. This is how you eat wings, guys. Very nice and clean. I've buried it, and now let's have some. Let's have some from KFC. Just look at it, dunked wings. But I also love the Zinga Citadel from KFC. I think they're very nice. So let's just have it. done. So now that we've had a bit of both, we have our wings are here. Now that we've had a bit of both, as I was saying, I think we're in a good position to review both restaurants, to give our ratings. And I think Chicken LICKEN, because I think their wings are a bit spicy, or maybe salty rather. So I think out of 10 I'll rate them like 7.5, because they're not that bad. 7.5, I think it's a good rating. And then KFC, the best restaurants, I'll give it a 9. It's a no-brainer. There's no two ways about it. I'll give it a 9 because it's just the best restaurant for me. Everything is perfect, up to scratch. So if you watched until here, guys, please comment in the comment section below. I want to know what your favorite restaurant is and why. What is your favorite restaurant and why? Especially if you're a student watching this. So if you watched until here, I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.